Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Shut down your PC fully before making changes to the BIOS settings. Press delete repeatedly as the system boots to open MSI BIOS. If delete does not work, try F2 during early startup instead of waiting. Disable fast boot in Windows or BIOS to allow complete hardware initialization. Enable full post to ensure all storage devices are detected on startup. Use UEFI mode when your SSD is NVMe M2 or a modern SATA drive for correct enumeration. From the BIOS main screen, use the keyboard arrows to open the Settings tab. Select Advanced and then navigate to Integrated Peripherals or Storage Configuration. Within that submenu, Find M2 Genie or NVMe configuration if present on your board. Check the SATA configuration area to list SATA ports and connected devices. The detected drives will show model names such as Samsung EVO 970 or WD Blue 1TB for quick identification on the list. If an SSD does not appear, power down and reseat the M2 drive carefully. Remove and reinstall the screw with moderate torque so the drive makes solid contact. Try switching the SSD into a different M2 slot if your motherboard has more than one. Test the drive in another PC or USB adapter to verify the SSD itself functions correctly. Update your MSI BIOS to the latest version to add improved NVMe support and storage compatibility when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.